Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, friends. Welcome into my kitchen. I'm Joe Emer. Hope you're feeling as joyous and festive as I am, which quantitatively is 3D donkey reindeer Christmas sweater festive. First place. Well, all right, let's get started. Today we're making all recipes breakfast for dinner casserole. You're gonna have friends and family over, you don't know what to make. Well, guess what? You can make this for breakfast or you can make it for dinner, and it's actually a pretty healthy recipe. So let's take a look at the ingredients. You've got eggs, milk, mozzarella, and cheddar cheese. Here's where you've got some fresh chopped spinach and parsley, red bell pepper, and onions or scallions. And then it calls for turkey breakfast sausage as well, so I'm about to brown that right now. But look at those ingredients. That's pretty healthy, y'all. So not a bad choice if you're trying to eat something good and make it healthy at the same time. Let's get started. I got a little olive oil cooking spray. It tells me to lightly grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. So I'll do that. And then the next step is to get this turkey going. So let's brown that right now. All right, so as you can see, we've got this all nice and crumbly, just like the recipe calls for. I like to break them up into really small pieces. I don't know, that's just me. Some people like bigger chunks of sausage. All right, we've got the Pillsbury reduced fat crescent roll. Whoa! All right. So if you remember, I already put some olive oil in that pan there. And it says, unroll crescent roll dough and spread evenly over the bottom of the prepared dish. Okay. All right, now bake in the preheated oven for 10 minutes. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. Man, that looks good. I haven't eaten much carbs in a while, so that crescent roll goodness, oh man, that's getting me going. All right, mix sausage and eggs together in a bowl. So let's do that. Bring that over here. I'll grab this sausage. Y'all, that smells delicious. Okay. And then we're gonna do this and slowly stir in each additional ingredient. Hey, speaking of the holidays, how cool is that? Red and green? Looks almost as festive as my sweater. All right, let's pour this stuff on here and spread it out. Gotta get all that goodness in there. All right. Back in the oven until the eggs are set. Then they'll be ready to go. "30 minutes with the oven on was getting kind of hot, so I made a wardrobe change. Let's take it out. Ooh, yeah, check that out. That's looking good. We're gonna let that sit for a second and then we'll cut it up. All right, it's game time. All recipes, breakfast for dinner casserole with Christmas colors on it. Take a look at that, man, that came out perfect. All right, it's a little hot, but let me try a bite here. One bite wasn't enough, man. I gotta go eat this whole piece. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, everybody.